Good evening, folks. Mark Wilson here in the Fan Cave. It is Tuesday, May 23rd, 2023. What I have today is a Hampton Bay from the, I want to say early to mid 90s. Now, I believe this model is called the Harbor Light, but please do correct me if I'm wrong. I got this fan last month. The little coupling on the end had broken off, but the switch is still fully functional. So started off on fast. And another little quirk about this fan where there are 3 screws on the mounting bracket that affix the bottom half of the mounting bracket with the motor to the top half, which connects to the junction box, and 2 on the left side and 1 on the right side. Now the side on the right, that half kind of slides in, so it doesn't really need a screw. But anyway, yeah, there's only two of the 3 screws were there, so I put 2 screws on the side where it hangs down, and then left the other one screwless, which means that it is a little bit of a wobble. I mean, it's not going to fall down, obviously, but because the bar is on top of the part over there, but the it is a little bit wobbly on high because of that. Turn it to medium setting. And low. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my YouTube page called The Fan Cave, and do give it a like if you would. I would really appreciate that. I'm actually going to move the phone over so you get a good look at the Hampton Bay logo. It's the old style logo. Alright, thanks a lot for watching. Good night and good luck.